Okay, now it's time for my daily makeup. So let me show you what I'm going to use today. I will start with this amazing facial cream from Dior. I think it's absolutely perfect for this summer weather. Alright, my next step is this powder from Chanel. I don't really use any foundation on daily basis, so I will go with that product and I can really recommend it. It's very soft and light, but it covers just enough. It also has this cute puff. Okay, now I will use this eyebrow gel from a Russian brand named Pussy. Such a funny name. This product is my favorite eyebrow gel. Next step is my eyes, and I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow today, but I will use this glitter by Sephora. I really like it, and it gives some nice sparkle, so we love that. After that, we will use this mascara from Beige Copenhagen. If you can find it in your city, in your country, I really recommend it. The brush is super big, but I love that. And it actually is in brown color, and as you can see, I have brown hair, so for me it's perfect. And my last step will be this blush from Givenchy. It is such a good product. Here is actually 4 different shades, so it's very nice to blend them up and apply on your cheek. I love that. Okay, it's perfect now. So I'm going to do my hair and we are ready to go.